My name is Alex Simon, a youth delegate representing Grenada. I represent Grenada as a youth delegate mainly with the task of listening to the negotiations, documenting what I've learned from them, sending it to the government, sending it to my sponsor so that it could help build capacity. And then also I am president of the environmental club at T.A. Marisho College, which is our community college in Grenada, and I represent them as the president to help inform them, help build their capacity as well, because the youths today are very important in the negotiations, the climate negotiations today. The main takeaway from COP28 so far is that you cannot separate the finance from the climate, and sometimes we need, well, I would say every time we need the finance in order to fund all those climates. So sometimes we have these big ideas with getting this done, getting this installed so that we can help renewable energy or sustainability. But we need the finance, we need the resources. And also what I've gathered, especially from some CARICOM side events, is that the data is necessary. The access of the data and the analysis of the data, because sometimes as Caribbean people we have the data but we don't access it and we don't create models so that we could use that data in order to fund or in order to appropriately adapt and mitigate climate issues.